John, you've got your Vulcan 610L on the shop floor. It's been here for quite a few weeks now. How have you been finding it?
Really good, actually. It's been seamless coming in. The idea of this machine was we're replacing a workhorse, and it is another workhorse basically, so that we're not actually doing anything different as such on it. It's just a lot more friendly to operate, a lot more access, visibility.
Okay, let's go back into the more friendly to operate then, because all of the other machines in your machine shop have got a different control. So what's so good about this? Because it's Siemens, isn't it?
It is the Siemens, yeah. It's the 828D. We haven't had a Siemens in here before, and we were kind of reluctant to start with, but once seeing the potential of it, it was a no-brainer really.
And how have you found it? How's it improved the way you work?
It improves the way we put the programs in, we store the programs, we name tools. It's just made everything easier.
Okay, and you talked about visibility. How's that changed? Because you can see the doors are opening, but you can really access the part that you're working on, can't you?
You can. With the doors, you've got full access around the table. You've got visibility, and the side windows is superb. You can see everything. The light, obviously, is superb. It's been a good step forward, to be fair.
Perfect. And where ETG have decided to place the window, they have, haven't they?
They have.
Do you use the side windows a lot?
We do, yeah. We're setting up. It saves having to stop the spindle, open the doors, get your head in there, have a nose around. You can just go around the side, have a quick look around, and you can see exactly what's going on.
So as an engineer, of course, you've been enjoying use it, but have you pushed it to its limits yet?
We haven't yet. At the moment, it was more, we've just carried on as we are with the same parts, because it does the same parts day in, day out. But we will do, once we get totally comfortable with it, then yeah, it will be pushed.
So all in all, what do you think of the machine?
Superb. Yeah, really good.